Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Privy on Shopify step by step. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify store, you're going to install the Privy app. And to do that, all you need to do once on your admin page, you'll go over to the left-hand column and tap on Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, you're going to scroll down and select Shopify App Store. From the App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Privy and you'll select Privy pop-ups and email. And you can install the app for free as they offer a 15-day free trial period. And by the way, you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.6 ratings with over 24,000 reviews. So you're going to install the app and they're going to ask you some minor details, for example, a telephone verification for two-factor authentication right there. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to your Privy dashboard. And on your Privy dashboard, you have a few options. You can either set up an abandoned cart recovery, or you can start exploring their different templates, for example, email pop-ups, to create quizzes, and so on. So we're going to tap on Explore Templates. After doing that, you can choose what is your goal from the left-hand column, whether you want to collect email subscribers, collect SMS subscribers, abandonment, stop abandonment, or make an announcement, or increase order value. There are numerous options you can choose from, and you can also choose different styles. So that means pop-up or full screen or fly out. You can see there are numerous options you can choose from. You can also choose different collection style, whether seasonal, recently added, or their mini quiz option, which is quite popular. So you can select whichever one of these options. Let's say, for example, we were to select this option. You can tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, you can see how it looks, and we could change the display type to pop-up, and you can see how the pop-up version will look. So you'll get this icon at the side that they can tap on, and once they tap on it, it will automatically pop out if you want. And you can also edit each section quite quickly. By going over to the right hand column, you could select Replace Image, and you can either choose to upload an image from your Shopify products, or you can choose to upload a photo. I'm going to be leaving the photo that is there. After you have done that, you can tap on each text section and you will see it appear on the right hand column, and from there you can edit the text if you want. You can tap on the text at the top and you could also edit the text. Then you could hover over the form fields, and if it is a case that you would like to add an additional form field or edit the current option, you can tap on the current option and you can see it right here. If it is a case that you would like to edit it, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus and you could choose to add a different form field if you want. If you would like to edit the button text, you can tap on the button and you could go over to the right hand column, and then from there you can see different options you can choose from. Now once you have done this, you're going to tap on Thank You page in the bottom left hand corner, and again you could change the image and you can also change the display type. So I'm going to be selecting pop-up, and this is where you would input your coupon code. To get your coupon code, you'll need to go back to your Shopify store. Once on your Shopify admin page, you'll go over to the left hand column and select discounts. And if you already created a discount, you could copy the code. If you haven't, you can tap on Add Discount in the top right hand corner. Then we could tap on Amount Off and you can select Generate Random Code, or you could create a code if you want. After doing that, you can select the percentage that you would like to give off, and you can also select a specific collection or a specific product. Then you'll tap on Browse and you can select the product. After doing that, there are other details that you could select from, whether you like to set a minimum purchase requirement or a minimum order requirement, the amount of quantity that they'll need to purchase. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on Save. Then all you'll need to do now is copy the coupon code. Then you're going to go back into Privy and you'll simply select coupon code, and from the right hand column you're just going to paste in the coupon code right here. After you have pasted in the coupon code, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on Settings from the top. Then you're going to tap on triggers and visibility, and you can choose when you'd like the pop-up to appear. So whether you like it to appear 10 seconds later or immediately, you can select that, or unscroll, or show an exit intent. After doing that, you can also target particular audience. So whether you like it to be displayed for everyone or only certain audiences, you can do that. You can also schedule it if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on activate. Once it has been activated, if we were to go back into Shopify and then tap on view online store, you'll realize that the pop-up appears. So you can see it right there, and you can see that the pop-up appears. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button